Welcome to Catholic Mom Mindset, a daily show where you learn to walk closely with the Holy Spirit so you can live the life God is calling you to. I'm your host, Sterling Jaquith. Let us begin. Welcome back. Today I want to talk about talking to God during Mass. So listen, I know most of us are doing the little kid circus thing at Mass, but not always, not the whole Mass. We tell ourselves we can't pay attention, but that's just a lie. We can sometimes. But then when we have those moments, I want you to just check in and be like, what am I paying attention to in those moments? I like to listen to the readings. And I'm half times like to listen to the homily. Like I can tell, oh, this is great, I'm going to listen. And then sometimes maybe it's an ADHD thing, I kind of check out. But one of my favorite things to do is to stare longingly at Jesus on the cross, and I talk to him. So Mass is happening all around me, and I am just staring at that cross, and I'm like, Lord, what are we doing? I love you. I need some help. Where is the plank in my own eye? How can I grow in holiness? Where am I lacking in virtue? What do you want me to do about? And I will give him specific things. And he talks to me. I hear him in Mass. I mean, I hear him other places too, but I realized that sometimes in Mass, even when the kids were being quiet, I was looking around at everyone's hair or their dresses or the number of kids they had or the paintings on the wall. And now I just like really connect with him in between, hey, don't touch your brother. It's like a date that you have with the Lord every week. Talk to him. Use the moments when you can focus to just really give him your heart. Delight in him, crawl up in his lap, talk to him. It's a really special thing. I think being Catholic is really special. And I think you can have a really beautiful relationship with the Lord. And you're going to find yourself looking forward to Mass more and not telling yourself anymore, oh, I can't ever pay any attention because I have little kids. You'll find these pockets and they'll be so meaningful to you. Because even if you only get 5 minutes, 5 minutes of staring at the crucifix and talking to the Lord, man, it's powerful. And it just feels so humbling to be there before the altar and watching them consecrate the Eucharist. It's such a beautiful thing. And so I like to talk to the Lord. I think he likes it when I talk to him. And I don't just talk. I'll say things and then I just listen, but I'm just staring at his face. Sometimes I catch my mind wandering again and I bring myself back and I go, remember, this is what we're doing. He is why we're here. This is what this hour is for. And I hope my children see me. I hope they see me longingly looking up at his face and being just entranced with the Lord. I hope they know that I have a deep relationship with him. And I tell them. But it's one thing to tell them and it's another thing for them to watch you do it. We went to Mass several times because we went to this family camp and there was Mass there. And then the visiting priest, even after the camp, did a special Mass just at our parish. And anyway, we went to Mass a lot in 1 week and we're driving to Mass again. And my daughter says, oh my goodness, we've been to Mass so much this week. Why are we going again? And I said, let me tell you a secret. When you get older and you really understand what's happening at Mass, you will want to go every day. I said, your mama wants to go every day. I want to create a life where I can go to Mass every day. And I don't right now. We go every Sunday, and then we try to go on Wednesdays and Fridays too. And we were doing that pretty faithfully, but in the summer, it's been harder. But I just told her, I love it. No one makes me go to Mass. I know what it is, and so I want to go. And I say, someday, you're going to want to go too. And that's it. I don't tell them they have to like it now. I don't tell them they have a good attitude about it. I just tell them that when you really understand what's happening, you will want to go every day. And it is such a gift, and it's such a privilege. Because I was so excited when that priest was offering that extra day. I was like, yay, let's go. So talk to the Lord in Mass. He loves you. He wants to hear you. And that is a good use of the pockets of time that we can grab in between kid wrangling. Thanks so much for listening, and have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Catholic Mom Mindset. To learn more about growing closer to the Holy Spirit, check out our free resources at madeforgreatness.co. Thank you so much for listening, and have a blessed day.